Film? Film?
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Part of this trip has kind of turned into me finding what I want to photograph. While I love photographing just general cities and locations and somewhat hospitality stuff, what I really would like to do, just perfectly like this, took the train to Porto. It's about a 2-hour train. We get on the train and it's just like, hopefully this is it. There's no numbers, there's no people that you can talk to. Most of the train stations we've been to here have been very sparse, we'll say. So we get on the train, it brings us into Porto. The Uber drivers here just aren't like the most friendly. I'm sure they just deal with so much that they're just over it by now. So he ends up dropping us off. You're staying right here. And we're like, okay. And then it turned into actually like a almost mile walk uphill carrying all of our bags. We just have a lot. I have so much camera gear. My camera gear weighs more than my entire everything else combined. So we get to our Airbnb and they're always a crapshoot. This one, beautiful, like tiled kitchen, really pretty, old, obviously, whatever. Hot water is about 3 cups of it and you're done. It has probably the best view that you could have in all of Porto. Everything you could think of is fine until you get to the bed that we've been sleeping on for the last 8 days. The bed is, I'm 6'3". The bed is maybe 5'11". So feet off the end, boom, first knock. Hard as your mother's willpower.
Okay, so we're having great lucks with these Airbnbs. As you can see, last night I took the mattress straight off the bed. I'll show you why. Because I'm 6'3" and I don't fit on this bed and it's terrible. Our pillows are like if you've ever accidentally forgotten a loaf of bread and then try to sleep on it weeks later, that's how hard the pillows are here.
The hardest bed I've ever slept on. I have been up at night contemplating just sleeping on the tiled floor. The pillows that we have here, I'm not joking, I could beat somebody to death. If you had a pillow fight with these pillows, you'd be missing teeth, you'd have skull fractures. We literally took our jackets and sweatshirts and shoved them into a pillowcase, so I don't think it helped any.
Oh, that's ripping. Oh, that's ripping right off. That just ripped right off.
Yeah, this isn't.
I'm broken. Everything's broken.
Oh, the bed. Oh, the bed.
The mattress doesn't even fit on this bed hardly.
If I slept just perfectly like this, it would be great.
We're roughing it. I had heard that Porto was probably going to be our favorite. Beautiful, scattered cathedrals everywhere, and cobblestone alleyways, beautiful street art. You know, being as we're traveling so long, there's days where we do just like go out, do one thing, we're back by about midday, and then it's just like reset. It's exhausting. It's exhausting to travel like this. It really is. First couple days,
We're going to the king's house.
So we went to what was supposed to be the most beautiful McDonald's in the world. And it was just kind of an average McDonald's, honestly.
we just kind of wandered. There's a big market, Bahalo Mercado, this massive kind of food courts, fruit stands, little bakery, butcheries, coffee stands, fancy candy, ton of tin fish because Portugal's known for tin fish.
Sardine with tequila.
So our second day was the only real sunny day here. And actually you can see behind me, here maybe, gondola, like the carts, the cables, and I thought it went over the river. It does not. It just kind of goes from the top of one hill to the bottom of one hill.
I'm friggin' sweating too.
Here we go, Brandon Taylor's pizza reviews.
And then the rain. The rain came, and man, a couple of the days, it just poured.
wet. It's getting rainy. Salts, a lemon green, and they're still warm.
Part of this trip has kind of turned into me finding what I want to photograph. While I love photographing just general cities and locations and somewhat hospitality stuff, what I really would like to do, seek out interesting characters and craftsmen and people who do things with their hands. And so we went to this local crafts market essentially. Taylor bought this little purse from this lady. She started talking to me and I asked if I could photograph her and she was like, yeah, photograph me and my husband, and shot those on film. So you won't see those photos here, but that's kind of the direction I'm headed. Environmental portraits of where people are and what they're doing and these things that I care so much about, the things that I do with my hands that I want to shed light, because those type of things that I've taken the skill and tried to perfect it, and it goes underappreciated by most people. Enjoy the product, but the process is often lost. And along the way, I have reached out to craftsmen and different things, and I've realized that that's maybe not the best way to do it, because I often get no response, especially with the language barrier. I've kind of shifted that slightly and just shown up and been like, hey, can I photograph you? And some people say no. Never thought this is gonna be easy. This YouTube and this channel and all of my photography to be in somewhat of this direction, and I'm hoping squeeze everything out of it. And I contacted the oldest hat maker, longest running hat store in all of Portugal, I believe, but definitely in Porto. It's been around since the late 1800s. Asked if I could come in, if I could photograph them. I got a response. It was all in Portuguese. They were like, yeah, just make an appointment. So when I showed up to this thing, I didn't know if they understood that I wanted to photograph, if they understood, or they thought I was just gonna buy a hat.
Not open.
Not open yet.
English, okay? Okay, there. And you make most of the hats? You
that I make it. And that is important.
okay. And how long have you done it? Since a kid? Since you were a child? Yeah,
No, I'm from military.
Okay.
Come back military. I work for my father. Okay. 23, 24.
Oh wow.
Okay.
So still a very long time.
Yes.
Fair. Do you mind if I take some photos of you?
Okay. The shop is okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
I wanna.
For me?
For you, yeah.
Okay. Don't moment.
No worries.
Your country?
USA.
Okay. Many clients the USA in my shop.
Oh really?
Yes. Sir, is my special book. México, Holanda, in Portuguese.
Right.
But you
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotcha.
Korea, Brazil, India, Japan, many, and China, France, Taiwan. That is the agent, the Prada in United States, Las Vegas, Taiwan, okay, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, Turkey, Sweden. Another client for United States, Egypt, right for left.
Oh yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Another United States. Okay, please.
Such a pleasure to have a real hat made and fitted by someone who loves hats.
Japan, my book is special.
Have you traveled? Have you yourself to any of those places? No. You stay making hats?
Special for you. Is my office in my little fabric.
Amazing.
Okay.
Oh my god.
that I fabric the caps, that model for the children,
Oh, okay.
the school. Okay, you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I have the molds. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's for me is very important. That for crown,
Fair.
okay. That for brim is for me is very important. String,
Yeah.
string
Yeah.
is important for me. String.
Okay. Oh, wow.
You understand?
Yes.
You know that form I fabric that art. Okay.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for showing us this.
So that okay.
Perfect.
Different art. For me is very important.
Amazing.
Because I like communicate for my clients.
Yeah.
Is very, for me is very important because my age is around 70.
Okay.
Okay, I like imagination in the production. That
Amazing.
okay.
Awesome. Thank
Okay,
you so much
okay.
for this.
I have two models.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Finish. I have the classic
Film?
film.
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Yeah,
In my time is
only, yeah.
only. First black white, first another
Color.
the color.
Yeah. So this is black and white here.
Black white.
Yeah.
Okay. If that is color.
And this is digital, so it's like
I digital.
yeah,
Okay, okay,
digital.
okay.
So
Yes.
both. Oh, it looks, that's the one for you. Give it to you.
Come back for me. Okay, okay. So
Thank you so much. So that was wild. So I was communicating with, I don't know, his daughter maybe, and he had some knowledge of what I was there for, and I wish I had taken more photos, honestly, but I could. That was amazing.
Like I said, I don't think I was able to photograph exactly what I wanted to. It was amazing. But in general, I love Porto. Porto was amazing. I really, really loved Porto. I would come back here. That I wouldn't to other places, and I would definitely come back to Porto.